Daniel Eldridge. I've been playing drums now for a fair number of years, on and off, but picked it back up over the past couple of years quite heavily. I play in a pop punk covers band called Prom Night Rejects. The Collision sticks that I use are 5ARs. I think they're fantastic. I think the weight distribution and length of them is unbelievable. The things that I like about Collision are the fantastic customer services you get from all their agents across the board. The clothing as well looks pretty fantastic. I've got a few garments on order that will hopefully be here as soon as possible. The variety of sticks that they've got as well, I think are absolutely fantastic. And just how they look after you and how they are emailing constantly with updates, I think is just absolutely great service. Very proud to be part of the brand. The cover that I'm now going to be doing is a cover by a band called Sum 41. The song is called In Too Deep, and this was played live with Prom Night Rejects.
I think we're ready to go. We'd like some Sum 41. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go! Faster we're falling, we're stopping and stalling, we're running in circles again. Just as things were looking up, you said it wasn't good enough, but still we're trying one more time.